Chairperson, Alliance, Southern Africa region. I'll say my name is Dr. John Selisho. I'm Director of Corporate Affairs, Southern Africa region, Global Supply Chain Assistant. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to recognize the presence of senior government officials that are present here, the presenters that are in this house. You can see one already here from the Office of the Auditor General. Members of Alliance Procurement and Capacity Building Team, staff present, members of Local Government Training Institute staff that are present, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Alliance Procurement and Capacity Building Foundation and Alliance Procurement and Capacity Building Limited, it is my privilege to stand before you at this important national seminar here in Chongwe at Local Government Training Institute. The Alliance Procurement and Capacity Building Limited was established, ladies and gentlemen, in 2022, and a sister organization, which is a foundation, in 2023. With the history of Alliance Procurement and Capacity Building Limited, since 2022, ladies and gentlemen, we have trained more than 23,000 civil servants in this country, Zambia, which included all professionals and private sector from different sectors of the economy, but mostly government institutions. Ladies and gentlemen, to show this level of commitment, the Alliance Procurement successfully hosted an international conference on procurement and finance management last year in Livingston, Agavani, in our tourist capital, which brought a number of experts and practitioners from Zambia, Tanzania, South Africa, Zimbabwe, Eswatini, Botswana, Kenya, Ghana, to mention a few, to share best experience and practices in strengthening public procurement and financial management. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we focus on local government so that this knowledge can also be shared to improve your service delivery. These milestones reflect our dedication to building capacity, supporting reforms that enhance efficiency, accountability, and service delivery. Ladies and gentlemen, before I come because of these remarks, I would like to inform you that the Alliance Foundation was born in 2023, as I said, with the focus areas, and these areas, ladies and gentlemen, are water recirculation system as corporate social responsibility, where we see a gap, to bridge a gap with our Zambian government. We come in and partner to help in that area. I'm sure the council of the wing that does water recirculation, the foundation would assist in such areas. Construction of youth-friendly spaces where we are promoting adolescents to help them articulate their issues and be recognized. Then we'll be also to ensure that medical supplies and equipment, working with the Ministry of Health, we're able to help and have an influence in that area through corporate social responsibility. Among these also, we would want to raise financial management accounting awareness. And that's why you see in most of our training, we have issues to do with financial management, because this is where audits come. And who do we bring? We normally bring the Ministry of Finance, the owner of the National Act that regulates financial management activities, so that we get it from policy perspective. Ladies and gentlemen, the Alliance Foundation also will be able to equip community schools with IT equipment and electronics. These are areas, just to mention a few, where you can partner with us and have access to some of these materials that are difficult to find in our institution, especially in remote areas that have no access to equipment, especially IT, with the coming of ICT learning. Ladies and gentlemen, now I extend my sincere appreciation to the Local Government Training Institute for hosting this program and for its continued role in advancing capacity building within the public sector. This is not our first time. We've been coming here and the principal has been very generous in accepting us, and indeed we have partnered to ensure that government programs are conducted and improve your service delivery. So with these few remarks, now it's my honor, singular honor, to invite the principal of the Local Government Training Institute to deliver his official welcome remarks and addressing this seminar to be officially opened. Principal, sir.